Jiangsu Dubao Pump Industry Company Limited is a production-oriented enterprise integrating R&D manufacturing and sales. Founded in 2007. The company is located in Suzhou, a water town in the south of the Yangtze River. It is only half an hour away from Shanghai, China, and Opo's financial center. It can reach Sunan International Airport in 10 minutes. The environment is beautiful and the transportation is very convenient. In the process of innovation and R&D, we focus on product innovation, quality improvement, and process improvement. The company has passed the ISO 9001 Management System certification, and all products have passed the EUCE certification. We combine the advanced technology of Japan and Taiwan, focus on the domestic and foreign markets, and invest a lot of money in the introduction of people, mold development, process and equipment, adhering to the concept of professionalism, quality, service and innovation. End quote. The company provides our customers with high-quality professional electroplating filters and acid and alkali-resistant pumps. It is especially suitable for electroplating, circuit board PCB, LED electronics and photovoltaic solar energy, wastewater treatment, medical and chemical industry, environmental protection, waste gas treatment, etching, cleaning, oxidation, electrophoretic coating, and other industries. Products are exported to Southeast Asia, South Asia, the Middle East, South America, Africa, Europe, Taiwan, and other regions, and establish stable and long-term cooperation with them, which is highly praised. JF2012 chemical liquid filter. 1. In the event of motor overload or single-phase running, power shut off automatically. 2. Assemble with self-priming pump or magnet drive pump is depending on customers. If with magnet drive pump, it can avoid the problems of dry running, leakage, and environment pollution. 3. Choose self-priming pump or magnetic pump according to customer's demandment. Email Kathy@justdubao.com. WhatsApp +86 151 0619 8365. Website http://www.dubaopump.com/. Facebook https://www.facebook.com/dubaopump. Utibets //www.youtube.com/channel/UCTYLBHKWJJ2ZQS8 for example 0 scenario. Twitterps //twitter.com/dubaop. Ins https://www.instagram.com/dubaopump/